Facebook Marketplace does not have an inbuilt feature for auto-replying to messages. However, you can use Facebook's Messenger platform to set up automated responses. Here's how. Use Messenger. All messages from Facebook Marketplace users are handled through Facebook Messenger. So, start by opening the Messenger app or accessing Messenger via the Facebook website. Set up instant replies. In Messenger, go to your settings by tapping on your profile picture or the three dots in the top right corner. Then, select Business Tools and choose Instant Replies. Customize message. Create a personalized message that will be sent automatically to anyone who sends you a message on Facebook Marketplace. You can include information about your products, availability, or frequently asked questions. Enable instant replies. Once you've customized your message, toggle on the instant replies option to activate automatic responses. Test. Send a message to your Facebook Marketplace account to ensure that the instant reply is working correctly.